Samsung fans are beginning to get a better idea of what the Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like. This time, the clues don't come from renders or official teases. Well-known leaker Ice Universe has provided new photographs of protective cases already made by accessory makers for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this is more significant than it appears at first look. Looking closely at these situations, the design direction becomes clear. The Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to be leaning towards a cleaner, more refined aesthetic, with accurate camera cutouts and a markedly minimalist rear design. There is no big camera island here, only well-defined lens regions that hint at a thinner, more polished appearance. The color schemes used in these examples also indicate that Samsung prefers a premium, even luxury-inspired appearance over an aggressive or flamboyant overhaul. Another leak displays the camera protection films created for the Galaxy S26 series. The photos demonstrate that the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus have the same camera protection structure. However, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has a completely different configuration. This confirms that Samsung is once again providing the Ultra model with a unique camera arrangement, not just in terms of specifications, but also in terms of physical design. Samsung may finally be breaking the pattern. For years, the Ultra line provided gradual enhancements. Some are practical, while others are scarcely perceptible. However, recent leaks about the Galaxy S26 Ultra indicate that a watershed moment is approaching. Fans have long desired faster charging, better low-light performance, and easier mobile payment options. And this time, Samsung appears to be poised to deliver real-world improvements rather than simply numbers on a spec sheet. According to tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra and its 5,000 mAh battery can charge from 75 to 80% in about 30 minutes with a new 60-watt speed. Still, Samsung hasn't stated how long it will take to reach full charge, which is an important element. However, when compared to competitors such as OnePlus, Samsung may still trail. While Samsung is closing the gap, more work needs to be done if they want to lead the fast-charging race. Samsung may have a competitive advantage in the camera field, particularly in low-light shooting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is believed to feature the same 200-megapixel ISO HP2 sensor used on the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, but with a significantly enhanced f/1.4 aperture. This may sound technical, but this is what it implies. More light enters the sensor, producing brighter, clearer, and cleaner images, particularly in low-light conditions. Ice Universe says users can expect less noise, fewer smearing, and more definition in a variety of lighting conditions. This is not just a numbers game. It's a significant improvement in how the camera works when it counts the most. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.